Hey everyone, I'm Maddie and I'm super pregnant and this is a day in my life. So as you can see from these little clips right here, I did a lot of cooking and just general freezer prep on this day. I also did regular household stuff. My mom was around to help me with just kind of nesting and doing laundry, folding baby clothes, doing regular household laundry like cloth diapers, and I think I even had a midwife appointment on this day. So if you don't know, I am preparing for a home birth. In this video, I think I'm 37 weeks pregnant. And so yeah, we are fast approaching the arrival of this little mystery gender baby. But you can see that I am like in full-blown nesting mode at this point. I'm getting my home birth kit ready. My belly is gigantic, and I'm even like planning hardcore for all the nesting that I want to do in my few weeks left. So if you want to see more of my day-to-day life, be sure to follow me on Instagram at Madison Gray. Okay, so I've had some questions about like my midwife care and how it's going, and I just absolutely love my midwives. I have felt so empowered through this whole process of pregnancy. This has just been such an enjoyable pregnancy. And I think a lot of that has to do with the care I've received from my midwives. In this clip right here, you can see they're listening to the baby's heart rate and just like checking up on like the positioning of the baby. I've been doing a lot of exercises too this pregnancy called spinning babies to get the baby in the optimal position for birth. So they say that the baby right now is in the optimal position, so we'll see how that affects my labor and delivery. I don't know. Keep you updated on all that. Coming soon. Okay, so also I have been obsessed with these date like freezer bites. I got this idea from another girl on YouTube that I like stumbled upon one of her videos late one night. And she was making these, and I tried making some, and like I'm addicted now. So all it is peanut butter mixed with chocolate chips. Yeah, I'm even eating it as I make the recipe. And then dates cut up. Apparently dates are really good for you when you're pregnant. So all the reasons that I can eat dates and like not feel bad about it. And then you just put the filling on the inside, as you can see right there. And then I like to sprinkle them with like some hemp seeds or something like that. Just totally optional. And then just stick them in the freezer. So on this day, my mom spent the day with us and did just like a ton of stuff to help me out. You can see she helped me prep at least 5 smoothies, and then a bunch more dinners. I have at least 5 dinners in there in the freezer. At this point, I think I'm up to 10 dinners, and I think about 12 smoothies. So my plan right now is to like make an inventory list on my phone so that basically I can just sit in bed after giving birth with this lovely little newborn baby and basically make orders off of my phone for Kyle to go, or my mom to like go and heat up. So yeah, something about this is just like so satisfying and feels so good to me. I didn't do any of this kind of stuff for my first baby and like really regretted it. Luckily I had so many friends that brought us food for like a month after giving birth. I can't even, like looking back, I can't even believe that. But we're so lucky because I didn't do any household or freezer prep. Like I just didn't know how life would be with a newborn. So this time I'm way more on top of it. We're going on in here now. My mom just made homemade croutons to freeze, and I'm gonna try one. Then we can make some bomb salads. Yo, is this okay for the baby stuff? Look how good my freezer looks, Mom. Look at this progress in here. This makes me really... It's getting big, isn't it, Mama? Big belly. So yeah, it was a huge blessing to have my mom hang out and just like really help us get some stuff done. And something about, I don't know, like getting stuff in order and getting stuff done feels so good. My midwife told me it's like an actual hormonal thing to feel this nesting instinct and like satisfy it. I don't know what the deal is, but it's definitely a thing. And then this is just everything. It's actually not everything, but some of the stuff that's in my home birth kit. I'm not sure if anyone else is even interested in all of this, but just, you know, a ton of stuff obviously that you have to be prepared with. And like, I don't know, stuff my midwives told me to get this time for postpartum that I'd never heard of, and that make me kind of excited because I've never heard of some of these, like, you know, supplements and creams and stuff just to make your postpartum more enjoyable and healing faster, and hormones come back into regulation quicker. So yeah, got all that stuff getting organized in this bin.
Which was 0 to 3 months. That one was on the doll, so the sleeves are rolled up. Okay. This worked out because there was still one little string in these holding them together.
Oh, good.
Which made me kind of happy.
Right. So at this point, I think it was around 10:30 in the morning, which is crazy. We got so much stuff done first thing in the morning. But it was just time to get outside, let Mallory play, hang out on the beach, get some fresh air, and kind of go over like our plans, because my mom is Mallory's support person during the birth. So it'll be me, my husband, Mallory, my mom, and my midwives at the birth. That's the plan. So yeah, I just wanted to go over specifics with my mom and like tell her exactly how to help, you know, what she would be responsible for and not responsible for, all those kind of details. And anyway, came back, got rinsed off after the beach. I just got this water filter off of Amazon, and I feel like, I don't know, we just have, as you can see, like really old pipes in our house. I feel like it is making a difference with my skin though, so I think it was a worthwhile investment. And then yeah, had lunch. My mom made these delicious tofu scramble bowls the day before. Actually, my aunt made it for us, and we had leftovers. The day before, we got massages at our house and just had like the most delicious dinner, and so we had leftovers, so that was good. And then later that day, my mom and Mallory made dinner. I think we're having homemade pizza here. And yeah, basically just lounged around the rest of the day, took it easy. I've been trying to drink tons of fluids, lots of red raspberry tea. How good that looks. Okay, and then since I'm talking about tea, I'm just going to include this clip because I'm so obsessed with this tea during this pregnancy. It's called Peaceful Mama tea, I think. I think I pick it up again to show the camera. Yeah, Peaceful Mama tea. Maybe it's just me, but I think this tea is so delicious, especially with like a little bit of almond milk and some maple syrup. I'm not even kidding. I drink it every single night. And then generally I like to prepare for my next day the night before. So that's just me doing that. And then we went to bed, and I threw in these clips of the next day too. My husband was back from Canada, and he just did so much nesting for me this day, like knocked so many things off my list. So just thought I'd give him a little shout out here at the end. Look at him. He lifted up our whole bed and vacuumed underneath it and cleaned our ceiling fans. Just all the not fun things. He did them all.
This needs to
He's
get
the best.
cleaned.
And then finally, I thought I'd just throw in this clip of me wrapping a little gift for Mallory. A friend of ours gave us this idea, and I thought it was really cute. I'm not going to say what it is because she's sitting here with me right now. But this will be fun when I go into labor, just to have something special to give to her too. So there you go. That is the end of this video. That is my whole birth kit stuffed in my closet. And yeah, we'll see what happens. I'll keep you guys updated. Thanks for watching. Bye.